All right, so when the resampling is done, the subsamples which are repeatedly drawn from the original samples, ये अभी पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि all the samples need to have the same size. अगर आप रीसैम्पलिंग कर रहे हो, देख पहला सैंपल निकाला आपने, उसमें 5 मेंबर्स है, तो जो सेकंड सैंपल निकालोगे उसमें भी 5 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए. इट इज नेसेसरी दैट ऑल द सैंपल्स दैट यू ड्रॉ from the population should be having the same size. That is going to be important for the central limit theorem that we'll see later on, as well as sorry, that we have seen later on. So it is, and अभी जो हमने bootstrapping किया उसमें भी सेम था कि the samples of the size n. So from that perspective, it was necessary that the sample should be of the same size. लेकिन just going back, just want to see उसमें clearly ऐसे directly mention किया था क्या resampling. The word resampling, I just want to see the word resampling properly. When उससे I can say whether this question was easy or difficult. Yeah, resampling. So this was what was being asked, resampling. Let's see. Other method of generating data input. So it was bold. So मतलब ये question I will not call it difficult. It is easy. It's a method of generating data inputs from to use in the sampling. Often we do not or cannot have we may not have the entire population available. So only can approximate population by taking a samples. We start with the observed sample and repeatedly draw subsamples, each with the same number of observation. So ये same है bootstrapping. मतलब bootstrapping is a type of resampling only. Okay, so because the population might, like India's population 140 crore, we may not be able to reach out to the entire data of the population. So we can only approximate population by taking samples. So we start with the first sample and then we keep on taking the subsamples, which each subsample having the same number of observation. So this question was easy. इसके लिए easy क्योंकि the word resampling was there in the bold format. तो दिस पैराग्राफ कैन नॉट बी स्किप्ड, एज वेल एज ये वाला इसमें भी था. एक बार की कंसेंट में भी देखता हूं इफ इट इज देयर. सो बूटस्ट्रैपिंग लॉज रिपीटेड सैंपल्स ऑन द सेम सैंपल. रिप्लेसिंग, अच्छा इसमें भी रिप्लेसिंग है, सो टेक दैट वर्ड. इसमें भी जो पहले सैंपल के जो मेंबर्स थे वो पॉपुलेशन में वापस डाले जाएंगे, so that they could also be again coming in the next sample. So whatever members that you select in the sample one, they would be again put back in the population so that they could also be taken in the, they could also have some chance of getting included in the next sample. But यहाँ पे उन्होंने same size बोला नहीं था. Okay, so that they could also be drawn, but they have not mentioned that all the samples should be of the same size. तो उसके लिए हमें bold words में it was mentioned that every time the sample same number of observation, and यहाँ पे भी size n. But because it was just like bold वाले word के paragraph में था, I'll call that as easy question. So answer was C. Any doubt, guys? No. All right, good. Let's go ahead.